Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem when you are projecting to this PC and all the options are grayed out and disabled and you can't click on any of these. So what you have to do is just click on optional features and click on add a feature. Now just type wireless and here you'll see wireless display. If you don't see wireless display, then there's a chance that wireless display is not supported on your system, so you can't enable the options of projecting. So if you can see the wireless display, just check this box and click on add. Once you click on add, it will install the driver for this and all the options for this would be available for you guys. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.